Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Mallory here. I hope you guys are doing well. I've been really enjoying all of your responses to these lessons. I really enjoy reading them and watching the videos and hearing what you have to say. So keep it up. Like I said, I really enjoy it. So today, as you notice, I have relocated to my basement because we're going to be playing some louder drums today. And the louder drums that I'm talking about are called timbales, and they're these two drums right here. This smaller one is called a macho, and the larger one is called an hembra. And here I have three different bells. The red one is the one we're going to be using mostly today. It's called a mambo bell. This one here is called a cha-cha bell, because you play the cha-cha on it. And this blue one here is called a jam block, and that is for playing a clave rhythm. So I'll play a 2-3 clave for you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So today, this lesson is going to be about the mambo, particularly the mambo bell pattern. And I'm going to teach you what it is, where you can hear it, and I'll teach you the pattern and you can try to clap along with me. I'll play the tims while you play or clap the mambo bell pattern along with me, okay? So the mambo bell is for mambo and salsa music. Mambo came first, then after mambo came salsa. And then after salsa came timba, which is kind of a current form of salsa music. It's like a cousin of it. So we're going to learn the two mambo bell patterns. And we're going to really focus on the 2-3 mambo bell because it's a little easier to get. It's similar in that with the clave, you have two measure patterns. So if we're doing 2-3 clave, it's rest 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. In the mambo bell pattern, again, it's two measures and it goes like this: 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2, and then that's it. And then it just keeps repeating over and over and over. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. So what I'd like you to do by the end of this lesson is to clap it with me. So let's clap it together right now. So let's try it. 1 2 ready go. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. This time let's do it 2 times in a row. So we're going to repeat it. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. And what you want to try to do is put a little accent on the first 2. And what an accent means is that note is going to be a little bit louder. So when you clap, it'll be just slightly louder, okay? So let's try it together. 1 2, and we'll loop it around and around. 1 2 ready go. 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. Let's try it again. And actually, if you have to, pause the video right now and just practice it. Actually, you should do that anyways. Just pause the video and practice it because it's a little bit tricky. There's kind of a lot to it. Also, what you might want to do, and I'll try my best to do this for you, is to write out what you're doing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'll try to do that. I'm still trying to navigate my way through Schoology, but I'll try my best to get that up there for you. So let's go ahead, pause the video, practice it on your own, and the practicing might take a couple days. It might be a couple days of just clapping this by yourself before you actually come back to this video and try it again with me, okay? So pause, practice. Now, let's say you came back, you've got it pretty good. Let's try it again, even slower, and then we'll gradually work our way up, and then I'll kind of explain how this fits with the Tims, okay? So, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now we're gonna go a little faster, and I'll kind of, before we do that, I'll just kind of show you how this works in context of an actual timbale player or a timbalero. So what I'm going to do is play a cascara pattern, which is meaning shell. So I'm going to play on the side of these. It's not a mambo pattern yet. You'll hear me do a little drum roll. And then when I start hitting this red bell, you're going to start to hear that pattern come to life. The mambo bell pattern, okay? So here we go. Just kind of listen. I'll do it again. So that's kind of how this all works out, all right? So I'm going to play the timbales. I'm going to play the mambo bell pattern. I'll start right on it. I'll count us in. We'll go slow. We'll do that for a little while. We'll stop. We'll start it again, medium tempo. We'll do that for a while. Stop. Then we'll go at a faster tempo. And we'll do that for a while and then stop. Okay? Try your best with this. It's tough. The main thing that I want you to get out of this is just to kind of be able to clap along at slow tempo. You don't have to do the medium. That's not the goal. The goal is just so you're aware of these things. So when you're listening to music, you might be able to say, oh, I hear this. I hear a clave pattern. I hear the mambo bell pattern. This kind of sounds like a clave pattern, but it's not totally a clave pattern. I want you to just, as you're listening to music out, in the car, at home, in a movie, in a cartoon, in a TV show, you're starting to kind of hear these things happen, okay? And I remember when I was a kid, it was really cool. I was taking lessons, and as I was learning more, I was starting to do that. I was starting to, be watching TV and say, oh, that kind of sounds like what I was learning at in music class, or in my piano lesson, or in my drum lesson. But also, it would be cool if we can at least, if you could at least be able to clap along at the slow. If you can do medium, awesome. If you can do fast, very cool. Good for you. Okay, so let's try slow. You're going to clap along with me. Remember, I'll count us in, and I'm going right into the mambo bell. Here we go. 1, excuse me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, If you've got that, great, let's move on. If not, pause it, rewind it, and just keep practicing it, okay? So this is the medium tempo one. Let's see here. Same thing, I'll count us in. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, Okay, same thing. If you've got that, cool, let's move on. If not, pause it, rewind it, and just keep practicing it until you feel comfortable with it. Okay, let's do the quick one, the fast one. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Let's go a little faster. Let's go about here. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. While I was about halfway through playing that, I forgot to give you some suggestions. Since this is going faster, what you might want to do when you're clapping is the claps should be like very close together. If you're going out here, it's going to be hard to make it in time, so you might want to clap very softly. Or if that's too hard, try using 2 hands and like patting on your legs. So it might be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I think my dog sees something upstairs I can hear. It's hard. It's hard. So do your best. Let's do the fast one again, and maybe those tips will help you. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the Mambo bell pattern, it might be played a little faster than that, but keep in mind, the Mambo and the salsa music, it's a dance. And if it goes too fast, then people can't dance to it and they get upset and they get frustrated. So this pattern will only be played so fast, like in real live music setting, okay? Because the whole point behind it, and the reason it became so popular in the first place, is because people enjoyed going out and dancing to it, okay? So that's pretty much the lesson portion of this. Practice it. Again, if you could get the slow, that's great. That's the goal. Medium and fast, if you can do that, wonderful. But like I said, the main thing that I want you to get out of these lessons is to just understand that this stuff is out there in the world and that it's played all over the place. You'll hear it in movies. You'll hear it in TV. You'll hear it on the radio. You'll hear it if you go on vacation somewhere. Like when I go to Florida to see my sister, there's a lot of salsa and mambo music that you hear just out in the streets, okay? So it's out there, and I just would like for you to know that it is a cool kind of music that you can enjoy listening to, or enjoy playing, or enjoy dancing to, or all three of those things. Okay. Real quick before I go, I was planning on bringing my Tims in to school, but since we can't do that, I just kind of want to talk about them real quick. So I kind of introduced like the names of them at the beginning, but I'll kind of play them all, and you can kind of hear what some patterns sound like. This here is a cymbal. It's not part of the timbales, but it is part of the kind of setup. And then I also have a snare drum here, which is popular on drum sets. Again, it's not a standard part of the timbale setup, but you can add some fun toys on, and I have that here, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll play around with these a little bit so you can kind of hear what they sound like. Chances are you've never seen these in person, or maybe even never seen them at all. So here we go. So there you go. There's a little sample of what the timbales sound like. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I hope you're doing well. And like I said, I love hearing from you guys. I love getting your emails and your videos and all your comments. And it's really great hearing from you. So keep it up, and we'll see you soon. Take care.